Students, good morning. Today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 37 mutation, and today's topic is applications of cloning. Once again, today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 37 mutation, and today's topic is application of cloning. Students, this topic is last of mutation chapter. So applications of cloning. Students, many or several applications of cloning in present time. Some applications are related to plants and some applications are related to animals. First of all, first applications is related to plants. First is by cloning insect resistant next high yielding crops and high salt tolerant crops can be produced. Students, in present time to make many specific varieties of plants, some varieties are insect resistant, some are high yielding crops, some are high salt tolerant. These varieties developed by genetic engineering, by recombinant DNA technology, but according these chapters, these varieties developed by cloning method. We studied in other chapter by recombinant technology, by genetic engineering to forms to produce high yielding crops, high salt tolerant, insect resistant varieties. Second is related to humans. On the damages of human organs like brain, liver, heart, kidney and lungs by many disease or several disease like Alzheimer. This disease related to brain. Next is heart attack, heart failure. Next is leukemia. It is also known blood cancer. Next is Parkinson disease related to brain. Diabetes related to pancreas gland. And damaged liver, some specific disease related to liver like hepatitis A, B, C, D. So by cloning to develop humans some specific organs like heart, liver, kidney and brain. Next, organ transplantation is a useful treatment for this organs can be developed by cloning. This is called therapeutic cloning. Students, these diseases are related to medical science, so this cloning is called medical cloning or therapeutic cloning. Next application is many such hereditary disease that do not have any treatment in present time, in modern time. Till now can be cloning or genetic engineering. Students, genetic engineering we studies in details in DNA chapters. Some hereditary disease can be diagnosed or treated by cloning methods like hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, next application is improvement of breeds. Improvements of breeds in animal. Students, we studied a specific technique in genetic chapter, emasculation. Emasculation help in improvement of breed in animals in plants varieties. So a specific applications of cloning is improvement of breed in animal. By this method, it means cloning improvement in animals for agriculture can be done. Human and other animals some specific genes can be transferred in animals these animal are called transgenic animals. Transferred gene related to milk seconds animal fat. Once again, transferred gene related to milk, animal fat, it means meat, and wool. So students, there are some specific applications of cloning, some other specific points of mutation chapter. First is genome. A set of complete genes present in haploid chromosome, it means color body of cell. In humans 23 haploid chromosomes as a unit is inherited through zygote. It means it is a diploid cell from one generation to another generation. Once again, from one generation to another generation. Again, from one generation to another generation. The set is called genome. Once again, a specific definition of genome is a set of haploid chromosome is called genome, but in detail, a set of complete gene present in haploid chromosome as a unit is inherited through zygote from one generation to another generation. The set is called genome. A study of genome in genome science. Once again, a study of genome, it means a study of a set of haploid chromosome in genome science. Next in genetic code. First is how many nitrogen base in single code or codon is 3. It means each genetic code or codon to have 3 nitrogen base. Next is genetic code total in humans 64, mostly 2 types. First 61, next is 3. It is called sense codon, it is called stop codon or nonsense codon. Nonsense codon. Sense codon to have genetic information first. Next AUG, it is a translation initiation code. Next stop codon, does not have genetic information. And they terminate or stop protein synthesis. Next is UAA, UAG, UGA. They are stop codon. It means they stop, they terminate polypeptide chain, they terminate or stop protein synthesis. Students, proper line stop codon UAA, UAG, UGA. So chapter 37 mutation is completed. Next online classes we studied new chapters. Students, any problem tell me in comment box related to 42 chapters, any query, any questions related to biology. So thanks, have a nice